to show you how to make the chunky Andy blanket, and I'm using Woolies Thick and Quick and a NP size 10mm crochet hook. To begin, you chain any number. I think I did 9 here. You'll start in the second chain from the hook and half double crochet. You're going to half double crochet in every chain across. Keep in mind when you're doing this half double crochet on this initial chain, you only go through the top loop. Okay, our base of half double crochets. Next, you're going to chain 1, turn your work. In this first stitch right here, not the chain 1, you're going to single crochet. Okay, and in the next stitch, we're going to be working in the back loop. So it's this stitch right here, back loop of this stitch. You're going to slip stitch. So to slip stitch, you insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, then pull through another loop. And that's a slip stitch right here. We're going to do that in the back loop of every stitch until we get to the end. So slip stitch in the back loop, 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 till we come to this last stitch right here, and we're going to single crochet again. I like to add a regular stitch at the end because it makes the ends look really even. So you can see what we just created here. I'm going to chain 1, turn our work. You can see what we just created, the row of half double crochets and the row of slip stitches and single crochets at the end. So we chained 1, turned our work, yarn over. We're going to half double crochet in this first stitch through both loops. Now in the next stitch, you're going to yarn over and you're going to half double crochet in the back loop right here. So half double crochet back loop, yarn over, half double crochet back loop again, and repeat this across until you get to the last stitch. Okay, now that we're at the last stitch, you're going to do a half double crochet through both loops, so a regular half double crochet. You can see the pattern we're creating. Now to repeat this, you just keep repeating the slip stitch row and the half double crochet row for the length of your blanket. I'm going to do one more of the slip stitch row so you can see. So chain 1, turn, single crochet in that first stitch. Then we're going to do slip stitches in the back loop across. Okay, now we're at the last stitch, so we're going to do a single crochet. Let me flip it over so you can see what it looks like. You can kind of see the pattern it's creating and how pretty it looks.